Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're signed into YouTube. This ensures shortcuts reflect your subscriptions and preferences. Open a modern browser. Chrome or Edge is easiest, then navigate to YouTube. Calm and load the page you want on the home screen. Once done, confirm the page has finished loading and that you're viewing the correct channel or home page. This step matters because the browser will save that exact URL and site state when creating the shortcut, so double-check now before moving to create it. Now create the shortcut through the browser. In Chrome, go to More Tools, Create Shortcut, or use Install Site as App in Edge. Name it something recognizable, YouTube Home, so you find it fast. Make sure to select Open as Window when available. This gives an app-like experience without tabs. Once created, the browser will place an icon on your desktop. If you prefer, drag that icon to your taskbar or Start menu for quicker access. This keeps YouTube one click away. Finish by pinning the new icon. Right-click it and choose Pin to Start or Pin to Taskbar so YouTube appears on your home screen area. If the shortcut didn't appear, reopen the browser's apps or installed sites list and recreate it. Sometimes antivirus or policies block creation, so try a different browser. If YouTube won't load from the shortcut, clear site data and cookies, or update the browser. This resolves permission and caching issues. One key tip: restart the browser after changes to ensure the shortcut works properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.